Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Liluni token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Liluni is a meme coin that was launched on the new Uniswap liquidity launcher on Robinhood chain. The lore of Liluni is that if you go to a not found page on Uniswap, there is a mascot hiding in the source code for the web page. There is actually a name given to this mascot, and that is Liluni. So this coin is just a meme lore coin for the official mascot of Uniswap. It was CTO'd and they are trying to get all social pages now. Liluni token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Liluni token. Liluni token is listed on Uniswap V4, V3 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.